projection of points using AutoCAD. On the screen, you can see the question. Draw the projection of the following points on a common reference line separated by a distance of 25 mm between the projectors. So there is a common XY line. So you have to select the reference line using the line command. Then draw a reference line first. So what should be the distance? So here there are, as you can say that there are 7 points. So 25 into 7. So you are getting 175. So you have to take a reference line of 175. Then escape. Now at the first end, it will start with a point A that is in the HP and 20 mm behind the VP. So point A is in HP and 20 mm behind the VP. Means A lies on the horizontal plane and it lies at a distance of 20 mm behind the VP. It means this is in the second quadrant. Okay, first quadrant above HP in front of VP, second quadrant in the HP or above the HP behind the VP, right? So it is in the second quadrant. So in the behind the VP, so it will be overlapped with the vertical planes. The answer will be right. So first point you have to take a distance where it is in the HP, then VP 20 mm behind. It means 20 mm will be above the XY line. Okay, so you have to take a distance from XY line 20 mm, then enter. So here is the point. Now we have to make visible this one. So if you want to take the scale dimension, you have to select the linear, then measure from this side to this side. Okay, so it's 20 now. Now I want to mention the dot here because it's a projection of points. I want to show the points. So you have to select the P type first. There is a command P type. Yes, then enter. So you have to select the point, then OK, then select do not, enter. So it's asking for internal diameter, say 0, enter. Then outer you can go for 2 mm. Yeah, 2 mm is okay, right? We can fix at the end point exactly, make it zoom in, then select the center, then zoom in. So here is a point. So this is an what we call it is an top view, and here is the front view. Again zoom in, select the end point of that point. Yeah. So in this way you have to do it, okay, at a distance. Now, so as I said that the end point is here for point A, so you have to make each points at a distance of 25 as it is mentioned in the question. So now you have to divide this line into how many parts? 7 parts. You have to divide that into 7 parts. So let me divide first. Now select the line. So this is the line. So how many segments? It means how many parts you want to divide? 7. Enter 7. Right. You can check that because I already selected the P type, this mark. You can select other point also, like different logos of the division. Okay. Now here will be the second point. Now we'll go for the another problem. Second one B. 40 millimeter above HP, 25 millimeter in front of HP. Okay. So above HP, it will be mentioned from here. Select the points. Now for the second one, where it is 40 millimeter above HP, select the line, then select the point. So from here it is 40 millimeter above HP. Enter 40. Then this is the front view. Then 25 millimeter in front of OP. So below the XY line, 25. Enter. That's it. Now you have to show the dimension. If you want to change the dimension, go for dim style. Like if you want to change the color of the dimension and all, go for modify. Then here is the text and line colors. So we'll change the line color into yellow. Then text also we want to change. Then you can go for red or you can go for blue. Okay. Then current. Then close. Yes. Like this you can change. Now go for dimension, linear dimension. Then you want to show the distance of 40 or first point. Okay. Then again you have to repeat this do not option. Then 0 0 external with 2. Okay. Okay. Now this 25 mm. Okay, you can show for any one value. So point to point, how much we required. That is also if you want you can show for some points. So in this way you can complete the problems using the AutoCADs. Okay, so remaining problem you have to understand the concept, then you have to apply same points or same projections of points in this way. Okay, so thank you for watching.